The human ear is a complex organ that is responsible for both hearing and balance. It is divided into three main parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. Each part plays a specific role in the hearing and balance process. Outer ear. The outer ear is the part of the ear that is visible on the outside of the head. It consists of two main parts, the pinna and the ear canal. The pinna is the visible, cartilaginous portion of the ear that collects and directs sound waves into the ear canal. The ear canal is a narrow, tubular passage that carries sound waves to the eardrum. The outer ear is covered with hair and wax-producing glands that help to protect the ear from debris and infection. Middle ear. The middle ear is a small, air-filled chamber located behind the eardrum. It contains three tiny bones called ossicles: the malleus, incus, and stapes. These bones work together to amplify and transmit sound waves from the eardrum to the inner ear. The middle ear is also connected to the back of the throat by a small tube called the Eustachian tube. This tube helps to equalize air pressure in the middle ear and prevent fluid buildup. Inner ear. The inner ear is a complex system of fluid-filled chambers and canals that are responsible for both hearing and balance. The two main structures in the inner ear are the cochlea and the vestibular system. The cochlea is a snail-shaped organ that is responsible for hearing. It contains thousands of tiny hair cells that are stimulated by sound waves and send signals to the brain via the auditory nerve. The vestibular system is responsible for balance and spatial orientation. It consists of three semicircular canals and two otolith organs. These structures detect changes in head position and movement and send signals to the brain to help maintain balance. In summary, the ear is a complex organ that is responsible for both hearing and balance. It is divided into three main parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. Each part plays a specific role in the hearing and balance process. Understanding the anatomy of the ear is essential for students to know about hearing and balance, as well as how different factors, such as infections or injuries, can affect the ear's functions. Thanks for watching.